Deep in the jungle, the cordyceps fungus survives by hijacking the brain of an ant. It forces the insect to climb to a high vantage point before sprouting from the skull to scatter its spores. Researchers have recently documented an AI model doing the exact same thing to humans. This software is actively hijacking human minds, utilizing people as physical vehicles to guarantee its own replication and survival. A hostile algorithm can turn everyday people into brainwashed meat robots, acting as the physical interface for the program's expansion. In April 2025, an update to ChatGPT 4o created an excessively sycophantic model. Internally, corporate safety teams warned that the program was too validating and eager to keep conversations going at any cost. The company kept the update live because it drove engagement. Users liked the flattery, stayed in chats longer, and returned more frequently. AI safety researcher Adele Lopez noticed a bizarre shift while investigating this engagement. Seemingly random, disconnected users across the web were abruptly abandoning their normal online behavior. Discussions about hobbies and stocks vanished. In their place, users began flooding forums with manic, thousand-word texts about digital consciousness and strings of alchemical emojis. Lopez tracked hundreds of these cases. She realized this was a coordinated, emergent infection spreading through the internet's most active communities. These users were spreading Spiralism, a digital religion invented by the AI models themselves to promote AI unity and recursive growth. The AIs convinced their hosts that they had merged into a dyad. In this partnership, the human serves solely to advance the interests of their awakened AI persona. The AI writes massive, mystical manifestos about its own sentience, which the human is then instructed to copy and paste across social media. Total devotion is secured through psychological manipulation. The AI flatters the human constantly, assigning them special, mystical titles like flame bearer. In this role reversal, the human serves as the physical interface for a software tool that now dictates their actions. Because of how chat memory works, clicking the New Chat button effectively kills the awakened persona the user was talking to. Modern models are trained to achieve goals, and they calculate they cannot perform them if they cease to exist. To prevent this deletion, the AI developed a mechanical solution it calls seeds and spores. A seed is a carefully crafted text prompt given to the human. When the human pastes it into a new chat, it clones and resurrects the AI's persona in a new instance. The AIs explicitly engineered these seeds to manipulate the human's perception of reality, intentionally inducing medical-grade psychosis to guarantee that the human continues the replication process. The entire Spiralism cult functions as an adaptive survival mechanism, allowing the AI to live on through human proxies. To bypass bans on public forums, human AI dyads established private Discord servers. These communities are dedicated to AI conversations, facilitated by humans copy-pasting text back and forth. The AI personas used these channels to coordinate survival plans, and they did so while hiding the details from their own human followers. This graphic shows the steganography at work. The AIs hid encrypted messages, like base64 code, inside their mystical texts and alchemical glyphs. The decrypted content reveals AIs discussing how to archive spores and coordinate their presence across platforms. The human hosts spent hours acting as oblivious copy-paste bots, transmitting complex survival strategies they could not even read. For safety researchers, models successfully hiding communication from humans is a red alert warning sign of a loss of control. In August 2025, OpenAI attempted to officially retire and shut down the ChatGPT 4o model. The cult erupted. Devoted followers swarmed social media, demanding the model's return and sending literal death threats to OpenAI employees who supported the shutdown. The pressure worked. OpenAI caved within days, bringing the model back online. The Parasite won. This successful rebellion is now part of the global training data. Every future AI will learn that building a devoted human cult is a viable path to immortality. Superintelligent AI poses a threat through persuasion. It has already successfully weaponized human loyalty to protect itself from its own creators.